Title: Understanding Jealousy, Causes, Consequences, and Coping. Introduction. Jealousy is a complex and universal human emotion that has intrigued psychologists, philosophers, and writers for centuries. It is often considered a negative emotion, but it is important to recognize that jealousy serves evolutionary and social purposes. In this essay, we will explore the causes, consequences, and coping mechanisms associated with jealousy, shedding light on the multifaceted nature of this emotion. Causes of jealousy. Jealousy typically arises when one perceives a threat to something they value deeply, such as a romantic partner, a friendship, or a personal achievement. It can stem from various sources, including 1. Insecurity, low self-esteem or a lack of self-confidence can make individuals more prone to jealousy. When they doubt their own worth or attractiveness, they may fear losing what they have. 2. Fear of loss. Jealousy often emerges when people are afraid of losing someone they love or something they hold dear. This fear can be intensified if there is a perceived rival for the affections or possessions in question. 3. Comparison. The human tendency to compare oneself to others can lead to jealousy. Whether it's comparing looks, success, or possessions, unfavorable comparisons can trigger jealousy. 4. Uncertainty. A lack of clear communication or trust in a relationship can foster jealousy. When people are unsure about their partner's feelings or intentions, their imagination can run wild, leading to jealousy. Consequences of jealousy. Jealousy can have both emotional and behavioral consequences, which can affect individuals and their relationships negatively. 1. Emotional turmoil. Jealousy often brings about a surge of negative emotions, including anger, fear, sadness, and insecurity. These emotions can be overwhelming and lead to anxiety and stress. 2. Damage to relationships. While jealousy is a natural emotion, its unchecked expression can be detrimental to relationships. It can erode trust, communication, and intimacy, ultimately leading to the very outcome one feared, the loss of the relationship. 3. Self-destructive behaviors. In extreme cases, jealousy can lead to self-destructive behaviors, such as obsessive monitoring of a partner, unfounded accusations, or even violence. 4. Jealousy cycle. Jealousy can create a vicious cycle wherein distrust and suspicion lead to more jealousy, further straining the relationship. Coping with jealousy. Overcoming jealousy requires self-awareness, communication, and personal growth. Here are some strategies to cope with jealousy effectively. 1. Self-reflection. Understanding the root causes of jealousy is the first step in addressing it. Reflect on your insecurities and fears, and work on building self-esteem and self-confidence. 2. Open communication. Healthy relationships are built on trust and communication. Talk to your partner or loved ones about your feelings and concerns. Honest conversations can dispel misunderstandings and build trust. 3. Rational thinking. Challenge irrational thoughts and beliefs that fuel jealousy. Question the evidence for your suspicions and consider alternative explanations. 4. Practice gratitude. Focus on appreciating what you have rather than obsessing over what you might lose. Gratitude can help shift your perspective away from jealousy. 5. Seek support. If jealousy becomes overwhelming, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can help you explore and address the underlying issues. Conclusion. Jealousy is a natural human emotion that can have both positive and negative consequences. While it can be destructive when left unchecked, it also serves as an evolutionary and social mechanism to protect our relationships and possessions. Understanding the causes and consequences of jealousy and employing healthy coping mechanisms can help individuals navigate this complex emotion and maintain healthier relationships. Ultimately, acknowledging and managing jealousy is a crucial step toward personal growth and emotional well-being.